Meet the new generation RM series modular UPS, scalable from 30 to 300 kVA. A new unified platform design, consistent, service-friendly, and ready for high-density deployments. Up to 97% efficiency in online double conversion mode for energy saving. Advanced ECO mode combines high efficiency with active filtering to ensure stable power quality. Load-based modular operation automatically matches capacity to demand, improving partial load efficiency. Intelligent parallel operation improves redundancy and stability under challenging grid conditions. Designed to handle fast transient and AI-driven loads with high short-time overload capacity. Enables peak shaving and load leveling to help reduce demand charges and overall energy costs. Choose 2U or 3U power modules to scale capacity and redundancy as your business grows. With a total system height of 18U, the system supports in-row installation for high-density environments. A compact footprint of just 0.5 square meters. Optional top air discharge kits are available to suit different airflow designs. Supports top-bottom cable entry, optional side cabinets, and wall-adjacent installation. Up to 5 UPS units in parallel, supporting scalable capacity expansion. Supports flexible battery configurations for broader application compatibility. Charging power is increased by up to 50%, significantly reducing battery recharge time. Enhanced protection features improve overall system reliability and safety. The new generation LCD touchscreen delivers clear and easy operation. Automatic reports and remote monitoring enable proactive maintenance. Built-in 4-switch design supports flexible system configuration. Safety interlock switches help prevent improper operation during maintenance. Supporting critical applications across government, education, healthcare, research, and telecom.